it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today I'm going to be doing prone rows and push-ups with prone rows. So when we do these, we want to grab a couple dumbbells, and we can have two of them, one under each hand. I'm going to show you how to do a one dumbbell variation as well. When we do this, we're going to be in a nice high plank, so our shoulders, elbows, and wrists are all going to be stacked. We want to really push away from the ground to activate our upper back. We're going to squeeze our abs, we're going to squeeze our glutes, and we're going to squeeze our quads. Tons of core activation here because we want to be nice and steady. So figure out how far apart you want your feet to keep you from opening up, because we want to keep your chest facing the ground the whole time. We're going to grab a dumbbell. We're going to bring it in to the front of our shoulder, set it down, other shoulder, set it down. As we set these down, we want to do it gently and with control. So like I said, as we're doing these, we're really trying to minimize the shift in our hips so we're not opening up and being sloppy. If that's the case, lower your weight. Now I'm going to show you how to do the push-up with the prone rows. So it's quite simple. Same setup, shoulders, elbows, wrists, engaged upper back, squeeze your abs, squeeze your glutes, squeeze your quads. We're going to come down into our push-up. Maybe our chest hits. If not, our shoulders are touching the dumbbells. Come back up into our high plank. Then prone row, push up, row, row. We can always modify that by coming down onto our knees, chest to deck, row, row, or even going back into our high plank before we do our prone rows. Now to do this with one dumbbell, we would just come into our high plank, shoulders, elbows, wrists stacked, upper back engaged, fingers spread. This is going to give our shoulders more stability. And then, like I said, we don't want our hips to shift, but we'll grab the dumbbell, just alternating hands, pulling it to the front of our shoulder. So when we do the push-up variation, push up, chest hits that dumbbell, row, row, or even leave the dumbbell off to the side, row, row.